Hey y'all, let's make some Mexican cornbread. Be sure to watch the video to the end because I've included the recipe at the end of the video. I put a nice layer of Crisco in my skillet and I'm preheating my oven to 450 degrees. I'm going to stick this skillet in the oven as it preheats so that it will be hot coming out. Alright, and while my skillet is heating, I'm going to go ahead and mix my cornbread up. So the first thing you want is 1 cup of all-purpose flour, then 1 cup of self-rising cornmeal, one egg, 1/2 cup of oil, 1 cup of buttermilk, one can of drained Mexicorn, or I'm using the Southwest corn tonight, which is the same thing, and it's already been drained. Just pour that whole can in. You want a medium diced onion and a medium jalapeno and a cup of shredded cheese, and I've already got that prepped and ready. So I've got my onion, I've got my jalapeno diced, and I shredded some sharp cheddar cheese off of the block. You can use it out of the bag, it just doesn't melt quite the same. So that block cheese really does a good job with this. And then you're going to add a 1/2 teaspoon of Creole seasoning. It says a 1/2 teaspoon. I'm in the hole. And then 1/2 teaspoon of red pepper flakes. And I like a heaping teaspoon. Alright, and you're just going to mix this with a spoon until everything is combined and incorporated really well. And it's going to be thick, of course. It's got all these chunky ingredients in it. But it doesn't take long to mix together. Just be sure that everything is mixed in and there's nothing dry left in there. And that everything's distributed really well. And that's what it looks like. Alright y'all, my oven has preheated. The skillet is hot. It preheated in the oven. And I'm just going to pour this mixture in. Get all that beauty out of there. And spread it around because it is thick, so you're going to have to spread it around, make it even. I don't know if you can hear it sizzling, but it's sizzling in the pan already. Okay, got that nice and even in there, and I'm going to stick it back in the oven. It's going to cook for about 35-40 minutes. Alright y'all, it's ready. Look how pretty that is. So now I'm just going to flip that out. That nice crispy crust. I'm going to let this sit for about 10 minutes before I serve it up. And then I'm going to slice it up and we're going to have some good Mexican cornbread. Alright, it's cooled down a little bit. Let's cut this and show you what it looks like. It smells amazing. and it's going to be good. I'm serving that Mexican cornbread with some turnip greens that I cooked today, some black-eyed peas, and a couple of chicken fingers. And we're about to have supper.